We have a birthday, definitely a friend. Hey Dingdongs! It is me, and today is Monday, a few days before Thanksgiving, and guess where we're going today? We're going to Great Wolf Lodge. I've never been before, none of us have ever been, so we're gonna take the baby to see how it is. Outside, it's like 40 degrees. It's an indoor water park. We're gonna go, so see you there. Bye. Ooh. Oh, should we go to the valet? Where am I going? Where do I park? What do I do? What am I doing? Where do I park? I don't know what to do.
Let's park here for now. We'll figure it out.
Oh.
Ooh, nice and warm.
There you go.
Yeah. Looks great. Tiny bathroom. You gave me wristband for the kids.
Do you want to eat?
Oh, you know what? You can park back here. There's a spot. So we can see the car and we can come in and out through here.
We're here. We made it. Ding dong, so we've made it. We're here. It's super rainy outside. We're hungry. It's like 3:06, and the water park closes at 8 p.m. So we gotta eat something really quick and go swimming. Yeah. As you can see, I wasn't able to do much being that I had a 6-month-old baby and there was only 2 of us. I definitely suggest to have another person there who's not gonna swim to watch your kid so you can enjoy. But as long as my son had fun and dad had fun, that's all that matters. The kids were free, so we'll do it again next time. Looking like a little mermaid. Hi, Dingdongs. As you can see, you can't hear anything. I can't do anything because I have a baby. So I want you guys to take a look right here. These are Burger King, basically, for expensive prices. So we've ended up at Claim Burger because everywhere is busy. What time is it? I think it's like almost 8 o'clock or 7:40. Yum, yum, yum. So we're gonna eat burgers. There's not much out here. There's napkins right here. Okay, this is a video. It's too hot, Nano.
Hot.
Too hot.
Espérate pues, espérate. You want ketchup? Or mayonesa?
I thought there was a hot tub.
You know, I feel like they should have one.
I saw online that it said there was one, but I didn't.
They burnt my onion ring.
Careful. Gotta be careful, baby. Okay, seriously, Nano.
Probably burned.
Okay, Jesus.
Where are you going, puppy?
Full of water. It is 8:52. No, 8:54. And we're here. And we're tired. I'm ready for bed. It's really hard to vlog when you have 2 children and you're at a water park. Like, you can't take your phone anywhere because it's gonna get wet. But I tried to get what I could. Story time! How you like that? I know. I'm ready for bed. Oh, get my Cetaphil, yeah. Yeah, get my Cetaphil. That one is mine. I brought that.
What are you doing? Recording over here like a loser. What is this shit?
It's
What is this?
B-roll. Leave me alone.
Oh, my coffee's ready.
Do you even know what that means?
It's what?
B-roll.
B-roll? What is that? Are you speaking English?
I'm getting B-roll.
Is your mom speaking English now? No? B-roll?
Yeah, it is.
Oh, you mean viral?
I'm getting.
You no comprendi. Only 1 sugar? Who the hell drink coffee just 1 sugar? Alright, we'll try the sugar substitute. We'll be healthy. Very much healthy. This coffee's not even that hot. What the hell? Esta mierda. Esta mierda. The resort fee is $30.
To everything.
That's 10%.
Alright, let's go.
Shit,